According to Gartner, the tech industry is at the top of the employment pyramid with some of the highest paying career options. And it's no secret that one of the biggest factors that influences our career choice is salary. Now with the year of 2020 right around the corner, this might be the best time for you to plan your career and future-proof it by making sure that there will never be a hole in your pocket with the career you choose. So keeping that in mind, I Akanksha welcome you all to this video on top 10 highest paying jobs in 2020 by Intelligence. Let's get started. So on number 10 we have full stack developer. So full stack developer is an IT professional who works on the front end as well as on the back end of an application. The average salary that is offered to a full stack developer is $111,000 per year. The skills that are required to become a full stack developer include experience in working with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node, React and any of the Angular frameworks, programming knowledge of any general purpose programming language, for example Python, experience with database systems, for example MySQL or Oracle DB, and experience with web servers, for example Apache. Moving on number 9 we have RPA developers. The daily workloads of RPA developer includes automating repetitive and monotonous tasks in an organization. In other words, RPA developers are responsible for automating business processes using coding. The average salary of an RPA developer is $114,000 per year. The skills that are required to become an RPA developer include significant experience in coding or scripting development, knowledge of RDBMS and SQL, experience in process analysis, testing and bug fixing. Next up, we have Python developers on number 8. Now I'm pretty sure that all of you already know that Python is one of the most popular languages right now. And Python developers are in a huge demand in various domains such as web development, automation and so many more. And notice that all of these domains are among the highest paying domains. So regardless of the domain that they are working in, Python developers will be getting some huge salaries. The average salary of a Python developer is $118,000 per year. The skills required to become a Python developer include expertise in core Python, good grasp of web frameworks, and sound understanding of Python libraries. On number 7 we have IoT engineer. An IoT engineer is responsible for developing practical IoT solutions that solve real-time business problems. Now, IoT might seem a fairly new technology, but its applications are widespread. From the idea of living in a smart home that can turn the AC on before you even reach home, to the idea of living in a smart city where there is no traffic congestion at all of this can be made possible by IoT engineers. The average salary of an IoT engineer is $120,000 per year. The skills that are required to become an IoT engineer include expertise in one of the programming languages such as Python or Java, sound knowledge of hardware requirements, electronics and circuits, clarity on data and cybersecurity concepts, and understanding of IoT applications using edge devices and sensors. On number 6 we have DevOps engineer. Now, if you have been following the recent technology trends, you would know that DevOps has become the heart of software development processes. A DevOps engineer is responsible for smoothing out the software development lifecycle, and to do that, the DevOps engineer has to coordinate with developers and the IT staff as well. The average salary that is offered to DevOps engineer is $124,000 per year. The skills that are required to become a DevOps engineer include understanding of Linux fundamentals, sound knowledge of various DevOps tools such as Chef, Puppet and more, programming knowledge, and good understanding of coding, building and testing a software project. Next, on number 5 we have Data Warehouse Solutions Architect. This is the era of ever-growing data, which means that analyzing this data is not our only problem. We also first need to capture and store it somewhere. This is where Data Warehouse and Data Warehouse Solutions Architect come into the picture. The average salary of a Data Warehouse Solutions Architect is $130,000 per year. The skills that are required to become a Data Warehouse Solutions Architect include understanding ETL, data modeling and data analysis, understanding data systems and applications in order to create fault-tolerant systems, experience with client-server web-based computing architectures. So on number 4 we have Big Data Hadoop developers. Big Data Hadoop developers are the ones who make it possible for organizations to deal with big data in order to understand customer behavior or to understand business patterns to achieve growth. The average salary of a Big Data Hadoop developer is $136,000 per year. The skills that are required to become a Big Data Hadoop developer include proficiency in any backend programming language, basic knowledge of Linux operating system, analytical problem-solving skills, basic knowledge of SQL and database structures. Moving on number 3 we have Cloud Engineer. Cloud Engineer is an IT professional who takes care of all the technical workload related to cloud computing. If you're aware of the current status of cloud computing in the market, you would know that almost every organization is looking for cloud engineers because almost every organization is moving their infrastructure to cloud computing. The average salary of a cloud engineer is $139,000 per year. The skills that are required to become a cloud engineer include experience with Linux operating system, understanding of almost any of the cloud computing platform, basic programming knowledge, and understanding DevOps. Up next, on number 2, we have data scientists. Data scientists are the big data wranglers who work extensively with big data. They take over multiple roles within an organization. For example, data mining, data analyzing, data cleansing, data organizing, and most importantly, extracting valuable information from data. The average salary of a data scientist is $139,897. The skills that are required to become a data scientist include programming skills in any of the statistical programming languages like Python or R, statistical skills, understanding of big data tools and data visualization tools. Now, on top of the list, we have Artificial Intelligence Architect. An AI architect handles AI development and management within an organization and also delivers AI solutions to the clients that they work with. The average salary offered to an AI architect is $144,000 per year. The skills that are required to become an AI architect include knowledge of programming languages used for statistical computing such as R, and knowledge of AI concepts such as machine learning and deep learning and more. So guys, these are the top 10 highest paying jobs that you should definitely look out for in the year of 2020. But again, not everyone's list can be same. So if you have any other tech job in your mind that you would like to include in the list of highest paying jobs, then do let us know in the comment section below. Also guys, Intellipaat provides courses on most of the trending technologies that can help you land any of the jobs that we have discussed today.